Hello and welcome to UTS Library's tutorial on APA 7th Referencing Style Essentials. APA is short for American Psychological Association. The APA referencing style is used by a growing number of schools and faculties at UTS. In this video, we'll show you how to write an in-text citation and how to format a reference list. Every reference in APA contains two elements: an in-text citation, which is where you cite a source in the body of your assignment, and an entry in the reference list at the end of your assignment. We use in-text citations so the person reading your work knows exactly what information has come from other sources. Then your reader can easily find that source in your reference list. To write an in-text citation, you need the author's surname and the year of publication, separated by a comma in parentheses. If you are quoting directly from the source, you will also need the page number of the quote. The number of authors affects how your in-text citation looks. For one author, you have the surname and the date. For two authors, put an ampersand between the names. For three or more authors, write the name of the first author's surname, followed by et al. Make sure you keep the author's names in the same order as they appear on the source. If you are using the author's names in a sentence, use the word "and" between their names instead of an ampersand. Your reference list goes at the end of your assignment and is ordered alphabetically by the author's surnames. To format your reference list, use a hanging indent. This makes it easy for your reader to find a reference using your in-text citation. In this video, we covered how to write an in-text citation and how to format a reference list. For more information on APA 7th style, visit the referencing pages on the library homepage.